Hello everyone! Welcome back to another Camp Nou construction update. Today we'll take a look at the latest on-site progress, where multiple works are advancing at the same time. Structural elements, exterior systems, and interior areas are all showing steady movement, with crews and machinery active across the stadium. Let's get straight into today's construction update and see how the work is progressing. On the lateral side, workers are installing anchors for the llamas. Most of the lower section already has anchors in place, and the upper areas are being prepared. Several elevated platforms and cranes are active, moving llamas into position. Protective plastic is still on some llamas, ready for installation in the upcoming days. The first voladizo is underway, and activity is expected to continue steadily over the next weeks. At the south goal, work is focused on installing anchors for the llamas. Elevated platforms and cranes are moving materials into position, while workers secure the anchors across the corner and interior areas. Preparations are also being made for upcoming sections, and activity in this zone is steady and organized. The north goal corner is seeing preparation for llamas and supports. Elevated platforms are moving parts into position. Some walls and bolts still require painting for visibility through the llamas. Few major changes were observed today, but the groundwork for future llamas installation is progressing. Workers continue securing supports and aligning structures for upcoming placements. In the tribuna, escalators now have handrails installed, and electrical covers are being adjusted. Prefabricated stairs and seating sections are arriving and staged for installation. Plaster panels and insulation materials are still being added in specific zones. Work is gradually picking up as more prefabricated elements arrive, and alignment checks are ongoing to ensure proper installation. At the diamond zone, protective barriers have been removed, revealing large glass panels. Cranes are positioning new panels while some are staged nearby for installation. Excavation materials remain on site, but the front section is prepared for upcoming glass and structural work. Progress is visible as the future store area takes shape with glass panels and supporting structures ready to be installed. At the corners, llama's installation is actively progressing. Both lower and upper sections are being worked on simultaneously. Cranes are lifting llamas, while workers secure anchors and supports. The lower sections are mostly complete, with small gaps left near pillars, and the upper parts are being prepared for installation. Platforms and cranes continue moving materials efficiently, and progress is expected to continue steadily in the coming days and weeks. That's it for today's Camp Nou construction update. The stadium continues to advance across all key zones, including lateral, south goal, north goal, tribuna, diamond zone, and corner sections. Llamas, anchors, glass panels, and prefabricated elements are steadily being installed. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It's free and ensures you won't miss any future updates. See you tomorrow for the next video.